Oh, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be NOOB PC, getting better day one. Basically, day one that we're doing. We're gonna do day one. Yep. So we're gonna get into a game and lag. Ooh, look at this lag, dude. Alright. So we're probably, no, we're gonna land right there. So my keybinds aren't too good, honestly. If you want me to be honest, my keybinds are not good at all. Like, I need to change something. I used to scroll builds for the longest time. Actually insane. But there's one thing that I do like a lot. And that's like hitting your shots against good people. Like, I can never hit my shots against noobs, but when there's someone good, I don't know why. I just don't know. Oh, I'm lagging, dude. I never lag. Ever. Oh my god, let's go, dude. Alright, so. This is about the only thing I can do by building, and that's this. It's either that, or I could do this. Oh snap, I messed up. Okay, I'm choking real hard, of course. Alright, ready? Wow, dude. Alright, so I'm trying to use, alright, I'm gonna go up the mountain real quick though. Hold up. Of course it's looted, dude. Oh my gosh. By the way, I'm a noob PC. If I play it on my PlayStation controller, everyone's done. Well, that's not looted on there. What the fuck? Alright, I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna just shadow stone and loot this though. Bro, oh my god, dude. Is it a noob? Ah! That's not a noob! Ah! Oh my god, dude. I swear to god, if he takes one. You ain't catching me, cuz. Get your ankles broken. Bro, get out of my face, kid. Alright, let's go, dude. was actually a pretty good play, actually. That might not look like I was a noob, but trust me, go against me someone better, I'm done for. Like, I'm not even nothing close to a pro. Can't see where this guy is, dude. See. I'm such an dude. Like, let's go, dude. That's like the only cool thing I know how to do is. Alright, let's go find some more people. I thought I heard someone around here. Huh, I wonder. Oh my gosh. What? Please be some good for wood. Nope. This is actually my first game on all day too. I just got off school. I gotta change the time on my PC. It says 2:18 when it's like 4:50, maybe 5. Oh. That's one over there. I gotta get I gotta get used to going spraying and then going. Or I see somebody. I'm doo-doo. I'm actually doo-doo. Oh. Oh my god. Fuck. My mouse is stuck too. GG. GG. So I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Probably gonna make like 3 or 4 of these today, but you know. And you got, and I'll see you in the next one.